Pokemon fans, I choose you! So today we have a very special unboxing from Pokemon and Crocs collaboration. And meron tong feature na sobrang special at papakita ko sa iyo later on. By the way, this is Lex, sneaker specialist of collector finds. So tara, unbox na natin. Alam mo, to be honest, hindi ako familiar sa Pokemon na nandito, pero based on what I've researched, these are the first gen Pokemon, mga batang 90s dyan. Kasi kami yung mga Gen Z, medyo hindi na namin talaga kilala to kasi ang mga kilala namin sila Totodile, Cyndaquil. Pero yun, these are the water type I believe, and then this fire type Pokemon. Focus tayo dito. So for the left pair, ito color blue siya, which represents the water type Pokemon, Blastoise. Then for the right pair, si Charizard, fire type. By the way guys, ito talaga siya ay magkaiba ang kulay kasi yun ang design niya. So dito meron tayong Pokeball and Crocs branding logo. Crocs branding, Pokeball. At grabe guys ang details nito. If you will look closely here, nakikita niyo yung mga print na yan. Charizard yan na may apoy. Ito naman sa Blastoise. And ito, water siya. Grabe no? Water na water talaga. So here is the exciting part. Umiilaw siya. So kapag naglalakad ka sa dilim, iilaw siya. Hapo, di ba? Astig, no? Ikaw ba? Which Pokemon would you like to see on their next collaboration? Comment down below. And if you want rare pairs like this, message nyo lang si Collector Finds. If you want more unboxing videos, follow me.